Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, Flare's economic architecture. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with the Flare in real time, what the community is saying, what the official handles are saying. Let's find out. So let's go over to our friend, our CEO and co-founder over here, Hugo. He always has something interesting for us. He's always active. So for Flare content, he never disappoints, folks. So let's see what's happening with Flare. Okay, this is the Flare Flanker. Imagine a world where your AI is an imposter, a different or divergent model with different motives and reliability, but looks, feels, and even sounds familiar. Flare Network can solve this problem. Flare Network is trying to solve so many different problems, folks. That it is I mean, if we talk about Chainlink, it is primarily an oracle providing services. I know that its infrastructure is growing, it is forging partnerships. I agree, folks. So I am I am up to date when it comes to Chainlink. When it comes to Flare Network, though, I look at it this way, that it is multitasking, folks. Like, it is a layer one. It has F assets launching soon. It has a DeFi infrastructure being built, so it is doing so much for so much stuff, folks. And let alone the world of artificial intelligence that it wants to disrupt. So this is great, and a really good graphic over here, folks. Look at this Flare, really interesting, to be honest. Okay, this is Dora Hex Flare. Google Cloud verifiable AI hackathon is live. This is great. Being collaborating with Google Cloud, it doesn't get better than this. As Google, as you already know, has made a really quite a name for itself in the world of applications, in the world of finance, in the world of services. Community partner blockchain at Berkeley. Verifiable AI hackathon, in person and virtual, starting from March 7th, 2025. So they have given us a date over here as well. Great. Okay, let us check this out. Why verifiable AI matters. Let me open this up. Okay, AI agents can help you do this in split second. Create a new wallet, swap 100 USDC to FLR, restake 1/3 of my FLR and XRP to secure an AI platform. While AI has the potential to handle complicated on-chain actions in the real world, following your intent and managing all technical details, a critical question remains, and what is this? Are we ready to place our trust in these agents? Now, this is a really important question and a critical question, which I've seen various panels, various sessions in relevance to AI discuss. We've talked about the ethical AI and how much can we trust these agents and different stuff. Current AI agents and unverifiable leap. AI and blockchain often get a bad rap thanks to token speculation, hype, and trust me bro promises. Yeah, that a project is going to be doing good, the meme hype, We never know what it is, what is actually backing it up. We just know that someone is saying that, yeah, it's going to go to a certain height. It's going to give you 100x, 10x, or even 1,000, 10,000x. I mean, these are the promises. These concerns are largely disconnected from their actual technological capabilities and potential. So this is where projects such as a Flare network comes into play. So yeah, look at this. What is Flare building? Our vision is to facilitate fully autonomous AI agents operating alongside human users on chain. These agents will self-sustain through FLR earnings, access decentralized data through Flare protocols, facilitate human transactions, identify patterns and anomalies in real-world data to see what are the irregularities, what are the patterns, offer customizable behaviors based on user preferences, provide automated portfolio management and risk assessment, enable complex multi-step transactions with a single command. So this is awesome. If you're curious, folks, then the journey starts at the Flare Google Verifiable AI Hackathon, which we discussed a while ago, moments ago, on March 7th to 9 in Berkeley, where we offer $100K and 4 specialized tracks to explore. Okay, this is great, folks. RAG Master, AI, DeFi, basically, consensus learning, social agents. This is great. So don't be afraid of being something new. Build the future of AI agents with Flare. So AI is trying to build the future, folks. Interesting name for the title, by the way. Building the future. Anyways, let's see what else do we have. You have to read this out yourselves as well to see what are the AI agents. I just went and showed you what Flare is doing. If you're interested, you can check out what AI agents are and a lot of different details over here. Interesting post. Okay, so Hugo has also commented over here. In my opinion, verifiability is the key to mass adoption of AI on chain, both for individuals and institutions. If you can't verify the model you are using, then either you have to trust the person running the server or you have to check each transaction before it is signed. It defeats the entire point, folks. You have to basically rely on these agents that, yeah, you can totally trust it. So this is the point that Flare focuses on decentralization. This is why Flare focuses on decentralization. Okay, what else do we have? Event listing multi-chain day has been added. Okay, seems interesting. One thing I learned through direct experience on this path is that if you are whining about another project, it is because you aren't sufficiently focusing on your own. The only correct response from a leader that is asking themselves why another project is getting greater favor is to focus on building an utility for their own project. I agree, every project should be focusing on their own development. The community members as well, they should be focusing on their own projects. Yeah, healthy comparisons are good, that that certain project is building one use case, we should try and go up from that point and do something better. So that sort of comparison is good, but toxic traits, toxic behavior within and among communities, I do not really like it. And the world of crypto is filled with it, folks, to be honest. Okay, what else do we have? Imagine a network of app chains secured by Flare's economic security, FXRP, and $134 billion XRP. Using Flare's architecture for multitasking and fast transactions, a restaking solution can enhance workload distribution and service customization on XRPL. For builders, this means different technical stacks and AVS implementations for individual dApps. For XRP holders, it represents the ultimate staking and restaking opportunity. Flare is one of the projects that is XRP community boasts that, yeah, XRP will provide use case to to the entire world of finance and a lot of different stuff that it is doing across the border, the cross-border payments and all of different stuff between banks and institutions. But Flare claims that it can provide use case to XRP itself. Like, that is huge, providing it with a whole new dimension. And imagine if it provides it that, and imagine the XRP community already they're so vibrant. If they realize the potential of Flare and they back it up, if they support it, I mean, it can be great. Even if in terms of community terms, it can be good, folks, not just use case. Although the priority is obviously the use case, the utility. F-Assets version 1 launching. F-Assets version 2 goes live late summer on FLR, removing collateral caps as liquidity strengthens and risks stabilize. Gradual scaling matters. Hugo and the team likely wanted a controlled rollout to limit exposure to exploits or liquidity imbalances. Stress testing collateral is key. Agents need to be battle tested before opening the floodgates. By version 2, these concerns are likely addressed, paving the way for an uncapped system that supports larger institutional and whale participation. I agree that step by step, slow and gradual testing and slow and gradual launch that so that we can get a really good product and not a broken product is needed. Regardless of whichever product Flare launches in the future, I think that we should be patient and wait for a good product, folks. And hasting it turns out to be bad most of the time. We've seen a lot of different projects post or launch a product, and then it turns out to be bad. It is broken, and then the people complain, the investors complain. Meanwhile, an XRP staking platform on Flare is expected to launch around the same time. The timing feels intentional. Institutions are at play. Enjoy the ride. By the way, folks, this is also a good statement for the title, opening the floodgates. Let's see which one we choose, because I really like choosing some interesting titles, as you know. Davis Brooks over here, so shout out to Davis Brooks for providing us this post over here. Hugo has reposted this as well. Let's see what the community is saying, by the way. Where is let me open this up. Let's see what the community is saying, and then we can cap this up. Flare has overtaken Hedera in real-time TPS. Okay. Flare is revolutionizing DeFi. This one is huge, by the way. This is really good if this is indeed true. And I think it is, because I haven't seen the Flare community lie about stuff or overhyping stuff, to be honest. Flare is revolutionizing DeFi. Flare is launching, bringing easy rewards and massive opportunities. 500 million plus FLR rewards. Stake, bridge, lend, and earn. Here's everything you need to get started. You can check this out. Flare is live. Okay. I think this is David Schwartz, yeah? Yeah, David Schwartz knows that FLR is in the long-term interest of XRP holders. That's why he's buying and has never advised anyone to sell. XRP is going to make a great run, but wait until it becomes FXRP with smart contracts. XRP needs Flare, connect everything. Awesome. I would like to see multi-sig bridges, trusted bridges, consigned to the dustbin of history. Hugo Fillion, Savage.
Bridges, trusted bridges, consigned to the dustbin of history. You asked, I think, what I'd like to see in the future. I'd like to see multi-sig bridges, trusted bridges, consigned to the dustbin of history.
This is great, folks. Flare is about to melt those haters' faces off real soon. Flare will be $1.32 once F-Assets are released on XRP, Bitcoin, and Doge. It will happen while you're sleeping. Hopefully, folks, let's hope that Flare opens the floodgates soon. Are you a believer or not? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.